This is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4x4 double cab with 119,000 miles. It has a 4-inch lift, brand new tires, brand new struts, running boards. It has leather in absolutely amazing condition. Stunning truck. Tow package, sliding rear window, bed liner. Just an unbelievable condition. Fully serviced. Brand new tires. The vehicle is running. Every one of our vehicles goes through our shop. We do a 125-point pre-owned inspection on them. Everything we sell will need nothing mechanically or cosmetic. Rust free. HID headlights. Magnum running boards. Leather seats are like new. AM FM CD. Perfect Carfax report. 4x4. Automatic transmission. No crack dash. 119,000 miles. Has brand new TPMS sensors. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. As you can see, interior is like new. The entire truck is like new. It's gorgeous. So this is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma double cab SR5, 119,000 miles, 4x4, in just phenomenal condition. Has a 4-inch lift. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetic.